Hello everyone, let's see how to make a file read-only in Windows. First, right-click on the file, click on the Properties. Then in General tab, last option Attributes, you can see the read-only option. Click on the checkbox. Then first click on the Apply, then click on the OK and done. Your file is read-only. Now I double-click on the Excel file. And you can see on top side the Excel file name with the read only. Okay, so no one edit this file and save in same file. Okay, so just close this. Now to make the folder read only, right click on the folder, click on the properties. In general tab, you can see in attributes option, the first option read only applies to the file in the folder. Okay, just click on the checkbox and click on the apply first. Then here click on the OK. Then click on the OK. That's it. Now I double click on the folder. I open here the one file and wait for the few seconds. You can see on top side of Excel file name with the read only. Again, I open the second file and you can see the second file is showing the read only status. So this is a way you can make a folder read only in Windows. Okay, so hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.